Hey, this is Karen Sassine of Mosaic Mentoring and Rainbow Mosaics. Join me on my Mosaic Mentoring channel for interviews, quick tips, foundations, and all things mosaics. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, comment, and hit the bell icon to get the newest updates. Join me for the love of mosaics.
So when you first get started with mosaics, the first thing you need is a good pair of nippers. And this is a pair of Leponitts. It's a wheeled nipper. When you first get them, I recommend that you squeeze it and you draw a line straight across the wheels. And then when you start to rotate it, you can see that I've rotated these wheels once. So that shows you how much I rotate them each time. And once they start getting a little bit dull, loosen them. It comes with an Allen wrench. Rotate the wheels a little bit more, and then when you get all the way back, then it's time to get a new pair of wheels. So what this does is it ensures the length of the wheels to last the longest. Other things about them when you first get them is there's a pin. You can see that little pin right there. What that does is it stops them from opening any farther than this. And this is a comfortable width for most hands, but there are certain tiles that are wider than this. So I actually have two pairs that I keep on hand, one with the pin and one without. So if I'm cutting something that's a little bit wider, I use this one because it allows you to pull it open that much more. The disadvantage and the reason why you don't want to use these on an ongoing basis is if you look at the difference, how much more my hand has to stretch to get around that. It's just not, it's better on your hand to keep the pin in. So, little tip about Leponitts.
Hey, this is Karen Sassine of Mosaic Mentoring and Rainbow Mosaics. Join me on my Mosaic Mentoring channel for interviews, quick tips, foundations, and all things mosaics. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, comment, and hit the bell icon to get the newest updates. Join me for the love of mosaics.